Hey guys! So today I have made curtains for my Highlander. And I'm just going to kind of show you what I did here. I made these out of fabric. Here's the other one. It's not hung yet. I really just used the two different colors of fabric just because I liked the contrast. And I made it where the gray would be on the back and just folded it forward to give it a little accent on the front. That way when someone's looking in the window, it's got this nice solid gray on the other side of the car window. And for the inside, I have these cute little flowers. So to hang the curtain, I used a little drill. Here's my drill with a tiny drill bit. And I made some little holes. You see my hole that was not quite high enough in this plastic in the back of the car. This is my back window. And I made another little hole up here by the driver's side. And I put these little eye hooks in here. So I have just a piece of paracord that I ran from one side to the other. So for driving, I can scooch it up on the side. I'll just tie a little ribbon. I have some pretty brown ribbon around the curtain. I'll probably attach it onto the seat belt here. The seat belt won't be used because I don't have seats back here. And so I can see when I'm driving. And then when I'm going to bed, I can just pull my curtain across. And then there is a gap right here. There wasn't anywhere else. Like, this is just thin little carpeted stuff, like cardboard or something. And I tried to put a hole in that, and the hook just came right out. So it's got this little bit of a slack. So I have this little clip. It came off of a curtain rod, and it fits nicely. And you could probably use just a binder clip, or I don't know, a clothespin might work. It fits nicely. I can do this with one hand. I just clip it, there it is, and stick it up in that there. And look, there's a nice, pretty good seal. And I'll probably be wearing a sleeping mask anyway, but it gives privacy. And it looks cute. So now, and I could probably use that clip to just clip it over here on the side and keep it out of the way for when I'm driving. I'll see, you know, how much blockage it makes, but I think I should be pretty good to be able to see, you know, when I am driving, even with that there. So now on the other window, you can see I haven't done it yet. I'll just drill my holes up here and up here on either side, run the paracord across. Well, I'll run it through the curtain first, and then just hang it. And I've got another little, one of those little clippy guys to clip it, and it'll be just the same. This one is just the two pieces of fabric, so it's not going to be super thick. This one I did sew in or iron in some interfacing because I thought it might, you know, add a little bit of thickness for sun blockage. I don't know if it's going to help that much, but like I said, I'll be using a sleep mask most likely. So there is one of my first projects. Now if I can unscrew these tight bolts and get my other seat out, that will be hopefully my next video. So thank you. Bye bye.